तो ये जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है, दिस इज क्लियरली सीम्स टू बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. Introduction to AI problems and AI techniques, solving problems by searching, space for problem formulation, state space representation. So all these things come to the discussion of what is AI. Okay, who started this field, how this grew to the point where it is today standing. Then to understand what do you mean by AI problems, there's a category of problems, so you can search on Google and you'll find that okay, there are AI problems. Then what are those which are called as AI problems? Are they problems, or are they some sort of uh, representative problems which can be solved using AI techniques? Okay, so what is the difference between an AI problem and AI technique? AI technique is a means to solve the AI problems. Okay, so AI techniques are the means to solve certain problems which can be categorized as AI problems. Then you come across a solution technique, an AI solution technique, which is called as solving problems by search methods. Okay, so this search is based on a search on a state space. So ये state space representation क्या है वो हम लोग सीखते हैं, और how to solve a problem using searching इसके बारे में सीखते हैं. Then we learn about problem formulation. How does a problem gets formulated? So if I want to actually solve a real world problem, okay, as an AI solution, so I want an AI based solution to a real world problem. So you can think here that AI is a computational technique using which I want to solve some real world problems. ठीक है, तो अगर वो रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम मुझे एआई टेक्निक से सॉल्व करना है, तो वो रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम मुझे रिप्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा इन अ वे सच दैट दैट फॉर्मुलेटेड प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व यूजिंग एआई टेक्निक. तो ये प्रॉब्लम फॉर्मुलेशन का मतलब वो है. प्रॉब्लम फॉर्मुलेशन इज नॉट creating problem or articulating issues in the real world problem नहीं है. मुझे कोई रियल वर्ल्ड केस है, उस रियल वर्ल्ड केस के लिए सॉल्यूशन ढूंढना है, ऐसा सॉल्यूशन ढूंढना है दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन एआई टेक्निक. ओके, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन एआई टेक्निक. तो ये करने के लिए मीनवाइल मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो मेरा रियल वर्ल्ड केस है उसको थोड़ा सा एब्स्ट्रैक्टली रिप्रेजेंट करना पड़ेगा एज अ एआई problem, and that is what problem formulation tells us. One of the way to represent AI problem is to represent it as a state space. तो ये ऐसे linked है टॉपिक सब एक दूसरे के साथ. So we start off with knowing what is AI, then we know what do you mean by AI technique, AI problems. Then we know when we want to solve a real world problem, how do we first represent that problem into a AI problem. That is problem formulation will answer that. Then one of the way to formulate a AI problem is use state space representation. So state space representation is one instance of that problem formulation. There are various ways in which, by the way, AI problem can be formulated. One such thing we will be learning in the module 1 is state space representation. Okay, a state space represented problem is generally solved using सर्चिंग टेक्निक्स. तो सर्चिंग टेक्निक्स जो हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं मॉड्यूल 2 में, उसका आपको यूज क्या है, वो क्यों लगते हैं, ये आप सीखोगे यहाँ पे. That's the first part of it. And as I told you, the second part of the module 1 is about intelligent agent. So what is the structure of intelligent agent? What are different types of intelligent agents? What do you mean by intelligent environment, agent environment, that is, and a way to represent certain descriptors called as PEAS. Okay, so that we'll be learning in module number 1. Going through to module number 2, we'll be talking about a completely module 2 जो है, that is based on data structures and algorithms. Okay, ये completely आपको abstract कर देगा कि आपको ऐसे लगने लगेगा when you learn chapter number 2, you are doing a course on algorithm, especially doing a course on graph and tree based search algorithm. So uninformed, informed search techniques are there in first two parts of the search techniques. Then you have how do you do searching for the constraint satisfaction programming. So it's actually constraint satisfaction problem it should mean. So crypt arithmetic, as I told you, map coloring, as I told you, n-queens, again a classical computational problem from algorithm theory. So ये तीनों problems है, crypt arithmetic, map coloring, n-queen. These all are classical problems which are termed as constraint satisfaction problem from एल्गोरिदम्स ये सब्जेक्ट से ये तीनों आते हैं. सिमिलरली नीचे देखोगे एडवर्सेरियल सर्च. It's again a search technique, but it's a search technique when there are two agents playing against each other. Game playing. Generally, game जो होता है वो दो लोग एक दूसरे के साथ खेलते हैं, right? That is how the game played. Multiple people actually play, but for simplistic reason, we are assuming that there are two players which are playing against each other. उसके लिए अगर मुझे solution ढूंढना है, AI based solution ढूंढना है, तो वो मैं कैसे ढूंढता हूँ? That is what we learn over here. Again, if you read through these things, you'll come to know alpha beta pruning, and this part you learned, probably not learned. I'm not sure about how in depth the algorithms course is nowadays, but alpha beta pruning is about, if I have a tree and I want to search into the tree, how I can minimize the number of searches that I do or number of traversal I do. So it's like cutting the tree into parts such that my solution can be obtained earlier. So that's a very nice thing. आपने ADL tree या AVL tree के बारे, AVL I guess, AVL tree के बारे में सुना होगा in data structures and algorithms. If not, no problem, we'll be learning about that over here. So this entire module, as I told you, is on, I guess somebody wrote something in the chat window. I'm just visiting the chat window. Okay, Mahesh Malu sir is talking about. Okay. Fine. So yes, you must have heard about it. Then these things are about algorithm. So ये DFS, BFS क्या है? Depth first search, breadth first search. These are search techniques, graph based search techniques or tree based search techniques. So if I have a tree of nodes and I want to search a particular key, okay, that is what the general notion of these algorithms are. And we'll learn in module 1 why we require these search techniques to be learned or to be mastered if I want to do an AI solution or give an AI solution to some real world problem. Okay. Now going to the module number 3 quickly. We will be talking about knowledge and reasoning. Complete module over here is logic, concentrated on two kinds of logics. One is called as propositional logic, the logic that you learned in your 9th and 10th standard. And then you will learn about something called as a predicate logic and how we can use these two things to in an AI based solution for doing something called as inference, in which we are good at. We as a human being are good at. We say that हमको लॉजिकल रीजनिंग करने आता है. अगर ये सारा सिनारियो है, अगर आपको मिला, तो आप इन्फर कर सकते हैं कि इसका नतीजा क्या होगा. And this inference generally you do, you actually do because you can do logical thinking. हम बहुत बार बोल रहे हैं कि हमको लॉजिकल थिंकिंग आता है. आई एम गुड एट लॉजिक. ओके, लेकिन वो लॉजिक मतलब क्या है, मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक जो है उसके बारे में हम लोग यहाँ सीखेंगे, एंड हाउ दिस मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक can actually give you some solutions to AI problems that we'll try to understand and try to learn over here. Okay, and again we'll be learning about these two algorithms. One is forward and backward chaining. Okay, and then there is third algorithm called as resolution, three algorithms and mathematical logic. So this module number 3 again takes you back to your school mathematics, understanding of logic. If you had learned that in school, I guess 10th, 11th, somewhere you will be having propositional logic and predicate logic, the truth table, inferring something out of it. Digital logic में भी हमने आपने ये सीखा होगा, flip flops, then XOR and other things, gates and other things. Those also things are something that come in handy to understand this particular topic. I'll just move through the next module, which is fourth module called as planning. Now, as I told you, AI problems can be represented in many ways. One such way of representing AI problems or category of AI problems to which we can apply AI technique is called as planning problem. So planning problem क्या होता है? How do you represent planning problem using state space search? जो हमने module 1 में सीखा था. Okay, and how do you actually solve them? That is what we learn over here. It's not difficult, लेकिन जो type के problems यहाँ पे AI problem के तौर पे हम लोग विजिट करेंगे, दे आर समवट लाइक शेड्यूलिंग प्रॉब्लम, दे आर समथिंग लाइक batch processing, something like navigating a landscape. Okay, so different kinds of problems are there, which can be represented as planning problems, and since they are different, there are different ways to represent solution for these problems. हम लोग यहाँ पे दो तरीके के सोल्यूशन देखेंगे. वन इज हाउ आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट प्लानिंग प्रॉब्लम्स यूजिंग लॉजिकल